Have you ever felt like time is slipping away but you are not growing spiritually? Days turn into months, yet your heart feels distant from Allah. Life is busy, distractions are everywhere, and before you know it, your prayers, Qur'an, and connection with Allah take a back seat. But what if I told you that small, simple habits can transform your relationship with Allah and bring peace into your life? Today, I will share 10 easy daily habits that will strengthen your faith and make you a better Muslim. First, start your day with Fajr. It sets the tone for your entire day. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that whoever prays Fajr and Asr will enter paradise. Make it a priority, and you will see blessings in your time. Second, read at least a few verses of the Quran daily. Even if it is just one page, consistency matters more than quantity. The Prophet said, "The best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it." Third, pray on time. Salah is your direct link with Allah. Delaying it for worldly tasks only weakens your faith. Prioritize it, and you will feel the peace it brings. Fourth, give charity, even if it is small. A smile, a kind word, or helping someone in need is a form of charity. The Prophet said, "Protect yourself." Fifth, practice gratitude. When you thank Allah, He increases His blessings upon you. Say Alhamdulillah often, and focus on the good in your life. Sixth, make dua daily. Allah loves when you turn to Him. Ask for guidance, forgiveness, and strength in your faith. Seventh, avoid gossip and negativity. Speak good or remain silent, as the Prophet advised. Protect your heart from harmful conversations. Eighth, engage in dhikr. Saying Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, and Allahu Akbar throughout the day keeps your heart connected to Allah. Ninth, be kind to others. Good manners and a kind heart bring you closer to Allah and earn you great rewards. 10th, reflect before sleeping. Think about your day, make dua, and seek forgiveness. Sleep with a clean heart, knowing you tried to be a better Muslim. These habits may seem small, but their impact is life-changing. Islam is not about perfection but about striving to improve daily. Start with one habit, be consistent, and see how your connection with Allah grows. If you found this helpful, share it with others and let's grow together on this journey of faith.